Trading is hard. There is absolutely no doubt about it. And if you don't know what you're doing, you can get absolutely wrecked. And in today's video, I just want to share some simple tips, 3 to be exact, to help beginning traders begin their journey so that A, they can be profitable, but B, avoid financial ruin. Step number 1 in the process, you have to know what you're doing. You have to practice. You have to back trade. You have to have a strategy. But most importantly, you've got to keep it simple. If you have too many indicators on your screen, if you are being too complicated, if your approach is too complex, you are setting yourself up for disaster, because in trading, complexity equals losing money. So I would suggest be very dialed in with your strategy, as few indicators on your screen as possible. And it sounds counterintuitive, but keep it simple. Tip number 2, start small, be gradual. Too often traders want to make it happen yesterday, but that's not how it works. You actually have to start on paper first by paper trading, back trading, practicing, developing your skills, seeing that your strategy actually works and your ability to manage trades. And then once you've demonstrated success on paper, you are ready to move to real money. But here's the catch. You cannot start with a huge risk unit when you're beginning this journey. And I often say, if you cannot be successful winning trades with a risk of $10 consistently over time, you have no business trading a $100 or $200 or $1,000 or put in whatever big number you want to. So the tip, start small, be patient, and grow gradually. Tip number 3, and this is important, you have to study your results. Now that means that you have to have a system in place to track your profit and losses, to track the trades that you're taking, do screenshots or copy the image on TradingView and put them into a document so you have them saved. And so you can go back and look at your wins, look at your losses, study them, see what you did well or where trades went wrong, back trade them. And from that, you're going to find those things that can help you become a better trader, because the truth is that success in trading comes from studying your results, studying the trades that you take and learning from them, and then taking that knowledge and applying it to all of your future trades. And that's one thing that people don't do. They're very cavalier in their approach to trading. Oh, I'm just going to do this, and there's no record of it. If you want to be successful in trading, you have to treat this like a business. You have to document your results. You have to study them. And then most importantly, learn from it and apply it in the future. So there you have it. As we get ready to head into the new year, 2026, these are 3 simple tips that you can apply right away to help benefit your trading. And listen, trading is something that you have to work at. You have to give yourself time. Don't put the pressure on yourself to make this happen right away, because that is a proven recipe to blow your account. And let me know, as traders, what is one tip that has worked for you that you would recommend to others who are just beginning? Let's share this as a community so that we can learn from each other. And I'll see you back here for the next video.